Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, China's drive for zero COVID is forcing a mounting economic toll, one that will be felt worldwide soon. But first, American household debt rose to a record $15.8 trillion in the first quarter, almost entirely driven by a $250 billion increase in home loan balances. But the rise was the smallest in a year, and new mortgage and car loan originations declined for the third straight quarter. Home loans now account for 71% of all household debt in the US, the highest share in roughly a decade. Total household debt stands at 66% of annual economic activity in the country. In New Zealand, that same level is 75%. In China, their pandemic lockdown controls are sharply undermining economic activity. One indicator, the sale of cars, is down by more than a third in April, the steepest retreat ever. The overall economic impact of China's pandemic response is massive. Others have noted that economic stresses are showing up in mixed messages from the Beijing leadership, a truly unusual sign of diverging policy tensions at the top. And the iron ore price took a tumble yesterday on low Chinese demand. Oil prices did too. In Japan, the Russian invasion seems to have snuffed out household spending plans. Household spending dropped by 2.3% in March in real terms from the prior year, although that was less than the market forecast of a 2.8% fall. The latest figure marked the first decline in personal consumption since December. In Germany, economic sentiment as measured by the ZEW survey got a little less glum in May, but they're still weighed down by the implications of the Russian invasion on their doorstep. And there are reports that Germany is getting ready for a retaliatory shut-off of Russian gas, a move that would hurt the world's fourth largest economy. Aussie business confidence fell in April from March, perhaps due to the election campaign uncertainties. But business conditions improved as surveyed by the NAB monthly business survey. And Australian retail volumes rose despite very strong inflation and falling consumer confidence in the March quarter. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today down another 7 basis points since this time yesterday at 2.99%. And the price of gold starts today down another $13 since this time yesterday at $1,845 an ounce. And oil prices are sharply lower again today by $2.50 a barrel at just under $99.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now $102.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today another 40 basis points weaker at 62.9 US cents and near another 2-year low. The devaluation since the start of April is now up to 9.8%. Against the Australian dollar, we're slightly weaker at 90.7 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're also sharply lower at 59.7 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.4 and its lowest since mid-February. We welcome your feedback. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.